The world is facing the continuous challenge of supplying enough energy to fuel economic growth. It has been estimated that ocean currents can meet 3,000 times the current power needs of the entire world's population. Waves energy alone can potentially produce 1/3 of the world's electricity supply. This video presents a new invention on various fluid current converters using a fundamental mechanical rack and rake wheel device to tap inexhaustible kinetic energy of ocean, river, and wind currents and convert it into electricity. The two fundamental mechanical devices are the movable device, double-acting rack, and the fixed device, rake wheel generator assembly. Each movable device is made up of a pair of movable parallel racks that are mounted in vertical, curved, horizontal, planar circular, and ring formation. Engaged with each set of the racks are one or more fixed wheel generator assemblies. As the two racks are moved in and upstroke by rising waves, the rake teeth on the left-hand rack turn the wheel in a clockwise direction, while the rake teeth on the right-hand rack are designed to slip on the pins of the drive wheel. Many designs of energy converter can be configured. When wave forces cause the float to move up and down, the racks turn the rake wheel in one direction, and a generator connected thereto is operated to generate electricity. This vertical rake design that is operable using wind current. Curved rack's ocean wave cum wind converter system converts surface waves energy and wind energy into electricity. In this design, the double racks are horizontally constrained to slide laterally by waves in a left-right manner to drive a generator to produce electricity. Using horizontal single rack and double rake wheels driven by surface wave current are turned by lateral surface waves. This design uses double horizontal racks and a rake wheel to convert underwater current power into electricity. Both the lower and upper racks are linearly reciprocated. Ocean currents swirling around the aerofoil vanes cause forces to rotate the single planar circular rack in one direction to produce electricity. Currents swirling in any direction cause the lower and upper planar circular racks to rotate in reverse directions to each other. Wind and water current often occur together and advantageously drive the respective upper and lower vanes in opposite directions. The double ring racks are partially submerged in running currents and rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise direction depending on the tide. From a high ground, ring rack flowing current converter system are mounted vertically from an overhead structure. A mobile ring rack's flowing current converter system is able to harness kinetic energy in strong flowing current in a river or sea without need to construct any generator power station. Several vertical racks ocean wave converter systems are spatially located on a platform to capture different phases of rising and falling waves. A huge ocean energy converter farm comprising a network combination of the above devices is possible. Ocean and wind currents often occur together, and advantageously both are renewable energy sources. Based on the fundamental working principle and variations of the fixed and movable devices, many designs of wind energy converter can be configured. This curved rack device is built on land and is operable solely by wind current. In this design, wind currents drive the upper vanes in one direction, whilst ocean currents drive the lower vanes in an opposite direction. This variation is built on land and is operable solely by wind current. Compared to ground wind, top wind currents, normally experienced above 200 meters above sea level, are strong and unobstructed. Harnessing huge unlimited renewable energy from ocean and wind currents can be a reality. If you can solve the power, you can solve almost everything.